Make your social environment first class. Circulate in new groups. Restricting your social environment to the same small group produces boredom, dullness, dissatisfaction. Remember that your success building program requires that you become an expert in understanding people. Make new friends, join new organizations, enlarge your social orbit. Select friends who have views different from your own. In this modern age, the narrow individual hasn't much future. For example, if you are a Republican, make sure you have some friends who are Democrats. Get to know people of different religious faiths. Associate with opposites. Select friends who stand above petty, unimportant things, who are interested in positive things, friends who really do want to see you succeed. Find friends who breathe encouragement into your plans and ideas. If you select petty thinkers as your close friends, you will gradually develop into a petty thinker yourself. And that will reduce the size of your thinking by forcing you to concentrate only on petty, unimportant things. So be careful. Thanks for listening to Training Wisdom. The credit goes to the book called The Magic of Thinking Big, written by the great David J. Schwartz.